Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you an incredible money trick in Roblox Wanted that will let you earn unlimited cash in a very short time. If this guide helps you out, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's break this down step by step. First, come to this location right here on the map and talk to Sir B to join the Syndicate base. Joining the Syndicate team will make your setup much faster, though it's completely fine if you don't. Having Syndicate access just speeds up your loading process significantly. Next, head to any nearby ammunition shop and buy C4 bombs. Try to grab 4 or 5 at a time for efficiency. Once you have your explosives, grab a vehicle, drive out from the Syndicate base, and head straight to the nearby mini bank vault. Plant a C4 bomb to blow open the vault doors. Inside, you will find gold bars, silver bars, and stacks of cash to loot. As soon as you grab all the items and cash, sell them directly to Sir B at double the price. Right after selling, it's time to server hop. Click the Roblox icon in the top left corner and leave the experience. Now open the game again, go to server list, sort by ascending order, and join a server with only one active player. You will spawn right back at the Syndicate base. Drive out to the mini bank vault again. Blow the doors open with another C4, grab the loot, sell to Sir B at 2x price, and server hop once more. Repeat this exact loop over and over. As a bonus, make sure to loot the main bank every 20 minutes between server hops to maximize your earnings. Using this method, you can easily farm rare items like sapphires, rubies, and bitcoins because server hopping constantly resets the vault, and there's a chance to getting them. If you ever hop into a server where the vault door is already blown open or looted by someone else, simply leave and switch to another server. And that is the ultimate money-making trick in Roblox Wanted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.